in Power Director 16 Cyberlink. This is my video editing software, and I've actually created this just a teaser, 18-second teaser, which is as you can see, it's for my new video tutorials or vlog. So this was shown in before or the start of all tutorials. So this is it. Runs for 18 seconds, and I'm going to change the captions there. So, and now I want to add music to it. So here I have a couple that I've already picked. Angel, and I'm actually going to I'll use Paradise, and that is actually 3 minutes and 51 seconds, and we teaser project, what do you want to call it, is only 18 seconds. So I'll show you how to reduce this audio down to my video. So anyway, so I'll drop that down into the first slot, and I'll just want to knock a couple of these continuous beats. So as you can see, it goes 3.5 minutes. So I'll show you how to reduce that. You can either trim it down, as many would do that want to just push them out, which is pick that. Actually reduce it down a bit. Pick that up and put it there, and that's what most people do. So that's it. But I like to knock a couple of beats from the start, so I'll show you how to do that. I just like doing it that way. It's a bit more better. So anyway, plus I'll knock this part out here. So what we'll do, we'll highlight that, go to edit audio, and transfer it straight to Audio Director, which is another part of Cyberlink. So this is a movie making process. Audio Director and Wave Director is where you can manipulate songs and videos. So this will export straight to Audio Director. Audio Director 7. Waiting. Waiting a long time. Here we go. As you can see, here it is. Audio Director 7. This is the latest version. And what I want to do is knock this part out here. So yeah, what I want to do is pick that up, actually bar beat view, which is at the bottom, 120 beats per minute, just down here. This is start, end, and the length of the total track. This is running. Okay, so what I want to do, adjust the video, I just want to zoom it in. File, produce, project, view. Actually, I want to get in here. I might be able to do it like this. Actually, I'll take it back. Changes, 1% back, so I should trim it down a bit because I can't see. I'll trim it down to 44 seconds. I could actually go a little bit more because my clips is only 16 seconds. I'll take it down to 28. That gives me a bit of leeway. I want to get in here actually. Alright, so we'll export it straight to Audio Director. Hopefully it loads up a bit quicker this time. Here we go, so see these beats here? Duplicates 3 times, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to knock this, keep it a 3 instead of 4. Alright, so what we do, take it back to where we think, approximate. So we'll knock that off and cut that off there. So what I'm going to do is delete this portion out and the audio will rejoin itself. You can either, you know, cut, copy, or you can manipulate, copy, so I'll just remove it straight away. So there you go, so now, I'll see that seems like. I might just knock one more out. Just want to get it straight. It's only 16-second clip. I'll pick that up, move that over, delete that. There you go, so that's it. That's good. So what I want to do now, I'll actually come back and trim it, so I can take it back now and I'll bring it back and retrim it the right thing. So all modifications will be saved to the audio file after they were sent to Power Director. Do you want to save the changes you made to the audio file? We'll press yes. So here we are, the new audio. That's it there. So now what I want to do, take it down to same length. I'll export it straight to, at the moment the end just drops out, and for the sake of it I'll just like to take it back and fix it back in Audio Director. So what we'll do, this is the complete 18 second, the whole clip that I want. So we'll just go adjust audio, fades. So I want the front to fade before it starts playing. I'll try that. Yep, so it'll fade all this down. And I want to fade the back out especially. So I'll bring that in 1 second. Bring it down at 20%. Just see what it sounds like. So it just fades out when the clip finishes. I'll actually bring that in a bit. 16. Bring it down to 1 second. See what that sounds like. Happy with that? Yeah, this one. Yeah, I'm happy with that. You can either have a linear fade. I'll do the front one, you can see it. So this is just a linear fade. Oops. Go back here. This is a logarithmic fade, which is haven't used it before. No difference. This is another popular one. Exponential fade. Just pick straight up in. Oh look, I'll try that. On the back. I'll actually apply that. So see, change that. Oh, the back could have been a little bit more actually. Just revert that. I'll drop that down to, yeah, no, I'll keep that. I'll apply that. So that's the thing. So here we can up the volume here, all these different effects, delay, dynamic control, echo, so change all that. What's that sound? Play that. Phaser, echo, cause. So yeah, so I won't play with all them for the time being, just show how I trim the video. Sorry, trim the audio. Alright, so this is all happy with this, and what I'll do, send it back. Do I want to save changes? Yes. And I'll transfer it straight back to Photo Director, Power Director, sorry. So this is my total clip. I'll play that so you see what it's like. Go back to start. There you go, so happy with that. So anyway, this was how to trim your audio to fit within any movie produced. Alright, stay tuned. I'll be uploading a few different ones. This is Power Director, Cyberlink. I've also got a few on Corel Photoshop and the Corel version, so I'm actually trying the Corel version of movie making, Cyberlink, which I have, and I'll also do a rundown on Movie Maker that we used to produce prior to upgrading to this director. And the only reason I've gone to this, I find it cheap, nasty, easy, and better than Windows Movie Maker. And next step up from here, this one, once I've mastered this, give it a bit of time to play with it. I'm still learning new things every day. I'll actually go to Adobe Premiere, I reckon about 3 months, and start playing with that. And that's more expensive, better, but subscription based. Alright, so I'll do an in-depth review of Power Director itself and run through all the features and pricing and what I think of it. Well, good actually, for what it's worth. And anyway, alright, so stay tuned, leave a like, share and comment any you found anything, or if it's been useful, or you want anything reviewed or anything. So yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Bye.